Yeah, I'm going outside here in the snowstorm. And anyway, I just thought I'd come out and look around.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's getting pretty bad. I don't know if they're going to come out here and plow or not, but I don't suppose. This is my car. Tried to put a tarp on it so the snow wouldn't mess it up. There's the tarp, and it's doing pretty good. Anyway, snowman, he's getting a little rusty there. There's the other side. I guess I should have tied it down a little bit better, but let's see what I can do. I need to tie it down first. I don't know where to tie it, dude. I'll just tuck it in here. I got a brick on it. Well, doesn't look like anybody's going anywhere. I could get out if I wanted. But I don't guess I'm gonna go anywhere. Guess I'll go back in now. There's my apartment, the one with the curtains hanging up there. Somebody just came in. I guess these people are leaving. I don't know who she is. There's the garbage. A lot of times people sit out here and smoke, but I guess there's just not many in there. And, well, I guess I'll go back in now. Nothing to do. I just thought I'd share this with you. Well, going back in now. Here's my mailbox. Oh, hey.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey, y'all.
oh, hey, Conley. What's
Carol,
going on?
you got a lug nut wrench.
A lug nut wrench?
You know that you take your tires off, and
Yeah.
can I borrow it?
Yeah. Can you wait till I get upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta put this phone up.
Okay.
All right.
I'll be standing down here.
Okay. Now it looks like I gotta find a lug nut wrench. And I got one in there somewhere. I just don't know if I can get it out. Okay, well, I guess this is about it. I'll go back in my apartment now. Go see if I can find a lug wrench. Enjoy the summer when it's around.